Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to expand the storage of the REDMI Pad 2 Pro with a microSD. In this case I'll be using a microSD I purchased from Amazon, and it's part of their Amazon Basics range. Yes, this is the same microSD cards that I use with my Amazon Fire tablets. And I believe that for the purpose of storing video from apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and so on, this will be ideal for that. Right then, first things first, have the tablet in front of you with the camera module in the top right here. Once you've done that, flip the tablet up and look at it on its edge. There is a few holes here. There's a couple of holes here for microphones. So you can see one's here and one's here. And then further along the edge, there's a hole for what looks like a SIM tray, but it is in actual fact a tray for the microSD card. So let's just get that in focus again. I'm going to use a SIM ejector tool, such as the one that came in the box with the REDMI Pad 2 Pro, to open up the tray and have a look at what it looks like. So it looks like a standard tray for a microSD card. So the idea here is that I put it in place in such a way that it can then be read. So in this case, it should go, I say it should go, like that, but not on this side, or is it? It actually might be on this side. So there we go. Yes. So it fits in that way. So you can see that on the tray it very helpfully tells you that you should insert this with this face where you have the branded side of your memory card facing into the screen. So I'm going to pull my tray up and pop the card back in. Great, so that's the card physically in your REDMI Pad 2 Pro tablet. That's just the beginning. We now need to make sure the storage is good to go. So I'm just going to unlock my tablet, and then we're going to, once it's unlocked, go into settings. And in this case, we're going to find the storage section. Now, there isn't one there, but it should be under additional settings. Let's see. Floating windows, memory extension. Let's do a quick search. So I'm going to do storage. Oh, okay, cool. So we've got a storage section. It's actually in the settings, interesting. So this is a 256 gigabyte tablet, and then we have microSD. So you'll see that it has automatically recognized the microSD. Let's format that just to be safe that it's going to work well with the Xiaomi Pad 2 Pro. This seems to be a bit broken, Xiaomi HyperOS. Okay, so that seems to have been done. I'm going to click done. So we've got our SD card formatted. You see that we have 63.27 gigabytes of 63.28 available. So we formatted the SD card, storage settings, and then this forces us into a portrait mode thing. So you define what the default storage settings are for camera, themes, and gallery. So in this case, we want to leave everything as in for camera, themes, and gallery. We only really want to use the SD card for apps, as I said, such as YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus. So there you go. That's how to expand the storage of the REDMI Pad 2 Pro using a microSD card. As I've said, I'll link in the description where you too can buy Amazon Basics microSD cards. I've been using them for years on devices such as tablets where it's mainly about video, where I'm not going to be doing work on that storage device. It's mainly for content consumption. Right, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.